Okay.
I think, aside from the choreography natin na nauna, medyo malikot kasi yung una. Tapos medyo hype yung pangalawa. Eto mabagal talaga.
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8. 1 and 2.
And 2.
3 and 4. 5 and 6. Tapos extend natin yung right. 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, and 4. Harap.
And 4.
5, 6, and 7, and 8.
Ay, likod ko.
Nice. One more.
Oh, likod ko.
Grabe naman ang floor rings.
7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whip. 1, 2, mataas. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Next. 1, 2. Here, kailangan yung i-twist. Twist. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 muna. 7, chest out, and 8. 1 and 2. And 3 and 4.
And 4.
And 5 and 6. Okay? Now, 7 and 8. Now we will twerk. 1 and 2 and 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and higher. 7.
Nananakot ako. Okay, game.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3.
And 3.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Jiro, can you do it? 5, 6, 7, and 7, 8. Nice. From here, 1. Higher the arm. 7, 8. 1, 2,
2.
and ulo. 3, 4.
4.
Nice. 5, 6.
6.
Twerk ulit. And 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Yes! Patingin ulit ang twerk. 5, 6, 7, and 7 and 8.
Siguro ngayon, we're still adjusting. Kasi this kind of genre is very new pa rin sa amin. Especially sa character namin.
Yeah.
Kasi we all know Ate Shanti image is very,
Wow.
di ba? Pero yun, we will try our best to, give ba to?
Give more sa performance. Yes.
And mapakita namin ng kaya namin dalhin kahit fem.
Oo.
Especially-
Nasa talaga yun. Sa presence, sa commitment talaga na ilabas yung ganun na energy. Which is still very new and awkward pa talaga. Pero yun yung challenge doon. And we'll see. Tingnan natin.
Let's go!
Let's go! Turk, turk, turk. After nito, lagi na ako magtuturk. Hoy! Joke lang. Hindi.
Kailangan ko condition yung utak ko.
Oo, it's all in the mind. Yes.
I have to
Yung
change
mind
my
talaga yung kalaban mo.
thinking na dance house is hindi siya kailangan ko isipin na hindi naman siya makaka-apekto sa personality ko. Kasi totoo naman yung sinabi ni Coach. Ganda rin na pagkasabi ni Coach. Kasi doon, sa sinabi niya, na-realize ko na kahit anong genre,
Dapat
naman yung gawin ko, hindi naman makaka-apekto sa personality ko. Kaya right now, I just have to apply it to myself na kahit anong gawin ko genre, wala naman maapektuhan. Kaya yun.
Yes, it's the same thing for me actually. So yun, kalaban mo lang talaga yung isip mo, yung mindset mo. Pero alam ko naman na may mas maibibigay pa tayo.
We still have time.
See you sa dance floor, guys.
See you sa
Makikita
dance
niyo.
off kung sino man makakasama namin dun.
Makikita niyo yung kakaibang Jiro at Shanti. Astem. Uy! Dance Universe. Ngayong Sunday, abangan niyo yung performance namin dahil kakaiba yung makikita niyo yung performance. Hindi si Shanti ang makikita niyo, hindi si Jiro ang makikita niyo.
Ang makikita nyo dito si Chantal, pati si Jerome.
Wow! Hindi ba? Yes. Makikita niyo dito si Maria Chantal.
Makikita nyo dito si Jerome. Walang bago.
Jerome yung walang bago.
Pero yun,
Yeah. Grabe yung pinagdaanan namin. And hindi to physical more on sa mind talaga. We have to beat our mindset and yung mindset lang namin sa performance namin na sexy siya. Yung gano'n. So, abangan nyo guys.
kasi ito, pinaghirapan talaga namin. Hindi lang physically nga. Tulad ng sabi ni Shanti. Mentally rin kasi we have to really commit to that kind of genre kung saan kami hindi sanay.
We have to overcome our awkwardness and our fear sa genre.
So this coming Sunday, 7:15 p.m.
On Stars on the Floor.
at GMA.
On the floor.